And closing arguments are underway in the civil defamation and battery trial of former President Trump. Trump will not testify in his own defense after the judge set a Sunday deadline for him to reconsider. Former Elle magazine columnist Carroll is accusing Trump of raping her in a department store dressing room in 1996. Senior investigative reporter Erin Kotursky is outside the courthouse in New York with more. Erin, what's the latest on those closing arguments?
They're underway now, Diane, and the plaintiff's attorney, Roberta Kaplan, is taking the jury through some of the evidence and trying to put the story together the way Carroll sees it. She's juxtaposing, for example, the mistake that Donald Trump made in his videotape deposition when he's shown a photograph of Carroll and confuses her for his second wife, Marla Maples. And the plaintiff's attorney, Roberta Kaplan, said that he did that unprompted by me. He just made the mistake, only corrected himself when he realized how damaging it was. And she's juxtaposing that moment with the Access Hollywood tape when Trump is heard describing how he treats women. And she's trying to say that Carroll was exactly his type, and you heard him say what he does to women who are his type. He grabs them, he starts kissing them without consent.
So, Erin, what does each side need to prove here, being that it's a civil trial, and how have they tried to do that throughout this trial?
The burden, of course, is on Carroll to show that Trump battered her, and the jury will have different levels of battery to consider, whether it was rape, as she asserts, whether it was sexual assault, whether it was forcible touching. And then the jury will consider whether it's defamation, whether statements like "she's not my type" and "liar" and "con job" and "nut job" and "hoax" and all the other things that he said about her amount to defamation. And then the jury will decide whether she deserves damages for any of that. All that will come tomorrow after the closing arguments and the instructions by the judge.
All right, senior investigative reporter Erin Kotursky. Erin, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.